So side by side, we talked about the left turn. So we're gonna do least timing first. 1, 2, 3, 5. We're gonna prepare with our bodies. 4, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. When you do the left turn, I'm gonna do it again. Do not collect. 2, 3, 5. Don't collect on 6 and 7 because it makes you go back a lot. So when you hear 2, 3, you're going to do 5. You're gonna pivot 6, but forward 7. Do not collect it. Okay? So we're gonna do it. Follows timing. Back. 1. Let's go. 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Don't collect on 2. 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1. You prepare. Going forward. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now if we do it this way, first least timing, we go 1, 2, 3, 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 5, 6. Don't do 6. 6, 7, 1. Now follows timing. 1. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Partner work. 1. Leads. Don't play with this unless you're gonna do the turn. This will drive your follow crazy because the follow will be waiting for you to turn and you never do it. So I'm gonna stay still, and then when I do it, when I do the turn preparation, that's when I do the rotation of my frame. 1, I do it here. 5, 7, 1, 5, and then I do the right turn, down and up. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 5. And down and up. Side step leads. Turn. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Another thing we talked about is don't go faster than when we're dancing together. So 1, 2, 3, go fast. 5, 6, 7. 1. Oh, don't speed up. Don't be Speedy Gonzalez. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. When you do the right turn. 1. Also, don't speed up. 5, 6, 7. Go at the same time. 1, 3. Least. Also, don't speed up. Don't do 1, 2, 3. The follow wasn't ready. Yes? So go at the same time, follow each other, and connect with each other. Yes? All right, good job, guys.